I have heard in office that many countries are buying gold and keeping it as a deposit, because those countries which have more gold reserve, they will be leading in the future.
Okay.
I don't know this news is authentic, but I have heard in the office. Some of the employees were talking.
Okay. So what do you guys think? Where does the gold value will go? Is it a good time to invest, or like we have already crossed the threshold? Now there is no point in investing here. It's all gone. Anyone?
No, it's a point in investing, but now you have to pay more, and those who have money, they can invest because its price will never go down.
Okay. So since it's a Friday, I'll ask you one question, okay? Let's see who can answer this. Let's talk about 2000 and let's talk about 2025. Okay. Tell me one, it could be a product, it could be a thing, it could be anything, okay? It could be a gold or it could be silver or it could be anything. Tell me one thing where the price has dropped from 2000 to 2025. Is there any product? Any product in the last 25 years, the value has gone down? Anything? Come on, think. For example, let's say, I don't remember all of this. So let's open this chat GPT, right? So gold rate from 2000 to 2025. Okay. So I'm just giving this. So in 2000, let's say, I don't know why it's taking more time, just for a simple question. Okay, let's wait. Let's wait. Maybe it's getting a accurate value. What is this? This much time it's taking. Gathering gold rate state from 2000 to 2025. I'm using the latest version, so probably it's taking time. See here, it's giving the value, okay? So if you see in 2000, so if I'm talking about 2000, in 2000, this was a rate. In 2000, this was a gold rate, okay? And is this a per gram or what? What they say?
10 gram.
This is annual. Okay, 10 grams. Okay. So this is for 10 grams. So this for 10 grams. And in 2025, 1,22,000. Is it?
Yes, Santosh.
Yes,
Oh, oh my God. 1,22,000 per 10 grams. Okay. Now my question is, tell me any one product which they have maintained the same rate from 2000 to 2025. Is there any product like that? Milk?
No, I don't think so. There is any product.
But what about petrol?
Petrol also, it has been hiked, Santosh.
Milk?
Milk, yeah.
Rice?
Rice also, they
Okay.
have increased the price.
Okay. So petrol also is increased, huh?
Yeah, Santosh. In Delhi, it's about 98 rupees per liter.
Okay. Any other product? Come on, think. There is one way, when there is one thing which I'm targeting. Come on, let's see who can answer this. Come on. Let's see.
Stock market.
gadgets,
Stock
electronic
market.
gadgets.
Is it? Electronic gadgets. Can you tell me one gadget where the price they have maintained? iPhone?
I think it's reduced. Phones, if you check iPhone 11 or something,
Come
it'll
on,
be
yeah. It's
reduced.
a version change, right? It's not a
Yeah.
same. It's see, from iPhone 10 to iPhone 16, obviously the rate will increase, right? So no, that cannot be compared because the version is changing. Come on, anything. Come on, think.
Water, Santosh.
Water, what?
Uh,
Water?
they sell it on bottles. Same price.
Ah, okay. That's a good one. Let's see. Water bottle price in 2000 and 2025. That's a very, very good guess. Okay. That's a very good guess. Let's see. Water bottles listing 15 rupees, but in 2000, the basic plastic non-branded drinking water may cost something 5 to 20 rupees. I don't know what bottle they're considering.
Yeah, later
Bisleri.
only 20 rupees only.
Let's see. Bisleri water can. Okay. Okay, it says that I don't find. But anyway, I feel water could be considered, water bottles. Anything else?
Land, Santosh.
Land?
Yeah.
No, yeah, land is
No, no,
increased.
no, no. Land price is also
Land is
increasing
increased. Land is
yeah,
increased.
day
The
by
guys
day.
who have purchased land in 2000 now could have been rich. Okay? You don't have any product? Yes? Okay. But I have one thing to discuss. The only one thing which the rate has drastically decreased from 2000 to 2025, okay, is storage. Okay, I'll tell you how. Every day, the data is coming from different source. Okay, in 1 minute, let's say how much? 60 seconds. In 60 seconds, it's just like that, okay? But in 60 seconds, $400 million sales is happening in Amazon. 1,94,000 apps is getting downloaded from Play Store. 31,700 music has been played. And we are all using Instagram, right? We are all using Instagram. And if you check this, 40,500 photos is being uploaded every minute. Every minute, 40,500 photos has been uploaded in Insta. 4.1 million search in Google, right? And the ads are getting displayed. Okay. Now, you guys know this is a hard disk, right? There's a hard disk, right? The hard disk is, let's say, 1 petabyte equal to 1,000 terabytes. Now, this device will store 1 terabyte. Okay. Like this, 1,000 devices are getting filled every minute. Okay, just give me a minute. I'll be back. Someone is knocking the door. Just give me a minute. Yeah, sorry. So usually this Amazon guys, they come in the morning time, but I don't know. This Amazon delivery guys are even delivering at 8 o'clock in the evening. This is the first time I'm seeing Amazon guys are delivering at 8 o'clock. Does it happen in your location? Yes?
Yes, Santosh. It is common.
Nowadays there is a festive season, lot of deliveries to be delivered, so they are coming in night also.
Yeah, surprisingly, 8 o'clock in the evening they are coming. Okay, anyway, yeah. So what I was saying is, every minute, okay, listen, every minute like this, 1,000 devices are getting filled. 1,000 such devices are getting filled every minute. Every minute. Okay. Now, when this much of data is coming from different systems, how come we are able to still store it? Now, that is where I want to compare. This is what is a storage price when I compare from 2000 to 2025. Okay. In 2000, in 2000 to store 1 GB of data, to store 1 GB of data, we will have to pay $6. Okay. So in 2000, for paying, for storing 1 GB of data, we will have to pay $6. Okay. So storage 2000, the price to store 1 GB is $6. See, I don't know how much was the price for $6 because a dollar price would have been less, but let's consider the same dollar price. Okay. Let's consider the same dollar price, 85 rupees into 6. That means 510 rupees. 500 rupees to store 1 GB in 2000. Okay. If you don't believe me, you watch this. In 2000, to store 1 GB of data, you are paying about $6. In 2021, okay, 2021 means 2021 to 25 also, 0.020. Okay, so let's do that also. Let's open a calculator. 0.020 into 85 rupees. So to store 1 GB of data in 2025, we have to pay how much? How much? 1.7 rupees per GB. Where is gold rate increasing from 2000 to 2025? And what is the storage price that we are charging from 2000 to 2025? Are you all with me? Yes?
Yeah, Santosh. Yes.
Santosh.
And that is why the data is increasing and people are companies are affording, right? So you may ask, what is the point in storing? See, I'll ask you one simple question. Okay. I'll ask you one simple question. The one session which I take, okay, one session which I take, which is equivalent to 1.5 hours. Okay. We are giving you the recordings, right? All the session recordings we are giving you, correct? Now, each recording, let's assume that the quality of the voice, screen share, my video, everything, let's say it's 1 GB. Okay, 1 GB is the highest quality. So every day I'm taking 3 sessions. That means I myself, I'm recording how much? 3 GB of data, right? 3 GB of data. So in a month, I'm generating about 100 GB of data. 100 GB of data we are giving recordings. Why are we giving it? Why are we giving it 100 GB of recordings to you guys?
Because you're able to afford it and store
Yes, very good. Because we can afford it. Because we can afford it. The reason why we are giving you the recordings, because we are storing everything in cloud, right? When I'm teaching about cloud, when I'm working in Microsoft, don't you think that I will be storing our videos in cloud? Definitely yes, right? So we are storing everything in cloud. And why are we giving it? Because we can afford it. Today, Amazon, Google, Microsoft, you take any company, why they're storing tons of data? It's because they can afford it, right? Now that's where this one. Okay. First of all, it was not my idea to talk about this. I was actually creating a block storage yesterday, but in between I was hearing a gold price. Just before the class, I was just seeing some news and I was hearing the gold price. So I wanted to ask, which is a product which has increased or decreased from 2000 to 2025? And is there any other product apart from the storage? I don't know. Because if you take a basic needs of milk, rice, everything has increased. Okay. But this is one thing I felt. From 500 rupees, which they used to charge for 1 GB, today they are charging just 1 rupee per GB. This is exactly the same cost what we have got when we were checking about the pricing. Day before yesterday, when I was showing the pricing, this is exactly the same cost. Yes.